It's time for her to restock her PPE kit, complete with everything Eva Sandoval needs to conduct risk assessments as a COVID liaison for several school campuses here in San Bernardino.
Mask, thermometer, I have hand sanitizer in here.
Graduating just last year with a degree in health science, Eva says she never expected to be thrown into the real world in the middle of a pandemic. But it was those college courses and professors that really prepared her for what was to come in her field.
We kind of understood how the community was going to be affected in advance, as far as there are going to be underserved communities who are not going to understand all the protocols.
Eva wanted to be the one to help her underserved community. It's what led her to become a COVID liaison for LLC, an organization that partners with school districts to handle all things COVID-19. She's heading into their dispatch center now, on call to respond to any campus in need. All 70 of the brick-and-mortar K-12 schools in the San Bernardino City School District have their own liaison on site.
Normal temperature.
If there's a COVID case or surge at one school, program manager Jade Stewart says this is where additional nurses and liaisons are dispatched from.
So yeah, this is kind of where all the action happens.
Up until now, the liaisons referred all students out to nearby public health sites for testing. But now they're certified to provide those rapid tests directly. And when she does get a call, Eva is ready to answer with any resources a parent or staff member needs in English and in Spanish. The calls range from questions about symptoms, if their child is cleared to return to school after exposure, and where they can go to get tested.
My best recommendation is to keep your student home.
As of September 16th, the San Bernardino City Unified School District had 102 reported COVID cases, 84 who are students and 18 staff. The safety and emergency manager for the district, Eric Vatier, says having the COVID liaisons has allowed their educators to focus on teaching the students instead of worrying about how to manage outbreaks.
I feel the anxiety that comes with COVID in an unknown environment. And I want to assure our community and our family that we're all doing what's right by our students and our staff.
The school district is looking to get ahead of any potential exposures with the help of these liaisons.
And that's where we step in and provide more information, provide that communication point, and be their guide.